Triangle OAB is formed by the lines x square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0 and the line 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Find the equation of the median of the triangle drawn from O. Now, in the question over here, it is given that there are two lines. Joint equation of the lines is given to you. This line is 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. And the joint equation of these two lines, the blue ones, is given to you. So x square minus 4x plus y square is represented by this blue lines, and 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 is a straight line. So these are combined equation of two lines which are passing through the origin, and OAB is a triangle that is formed. You have to find the equation of median of the triangle drawn from O. So you have to find the equation of OC, that is median OC. Now will I find equation of median OC? I already know O. If I know C, if I know the coordinates of C, I'll get it. So how will I start? Now to start, I'll go for A. Let's say A is taken as x1, y1 and B is taken as x2, y2. Then coordinates of C will be, since C is the midpoint, C is the midpoint because OC is the median. OC is the median, so C is the midpoint of AB, and therefore I can say coordinates of C will be x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So C will have coordinates x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now you have been given these two equations over here. We'll find one of the variables by using the first equation. Either we will get x or we will get y, and then we'll substitute the value over here. So I'll take the first equation. Okay, we can start with, let C be the midpoint of AB. Therefore, coordinates of C are x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now what we want is from the first equation, that is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of one of the line. So I can use either x or I can use either y. So what I'll do is I'll use x or y, any of them I can use. So this is called as elimination. In elimination procedure, you can either use or you can use y, x or y, whichever you are comfortable with. You will still get the same answer by using both of them. So elimination procedure works exactly identical irrespective of the variable that is used. So I'll substitute x. So 2x is equal to 1 minus 3y. So x is 1 minus 3y upon 2. I'll substitute this value, substituting value of x in the joint equation. The joint equation is x square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0. So what is x? 1 minus 3y upon 2 the whole square minus 4 into 1 minus 3y upon 2 into y plus y square is equal to 0. Now when you calculate this, you will get 1 minus 3y the whole square divided by 4 minus 4 minus 12y into y by 2 So 1 minus 3y, 2y into 4 is 2, 2 4s are 8. Now I'll multiply this by 2. 8y minus 1 is plus 2 12s are 24y square plus 4y square equal to 0. So this is what you get. Now when I solve this, I get 1 minus 6y plus 9y square minus 8y plus 24y square plus 4y square is equal to 0. Now 24 plus 4 plus 9 is 37y square minus 14y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you get this as a quadratic equation. Okay. So the quadratic equation over here will have two roots. Okay. Since this is a quadratic equation, in y, this will have this equation will have two roots. Okay, it will have two roots in y. So let's say two roots y1 and y2. Now I use the concept of sum of the roots and product of the roots. So sum of the roots y1 plus y2, that is sum of the roots is minus b by a, that is minus b upon a, which is minus of minus 14 upon a is 37, which is 14 by 37. I will use this to find the coordinate, to find the y coordinate. Now check, this is the thing that we require over here. We require y1 plus y2 by 2. But I got y1 plus y2. Now I'll divide this both sides by 2. So if I divide both sides by 2, what I get over here is y1 plus y2 by 2. 2 sevens are. So this is nothing but the y coordinate of the y1 plus y2 is what? That is y, this, therefore y coordinate of C is 7 by 37. Okay, so you got y coordinate of C. Now this C also lies on this line. C also lies on 2x plus 3y minus 1. So I'll substitute the value of y coordinate over here and I'll get x coordinate. I'll substitute y coordinate over here to get x coordinate. So substituting the value, therefore 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 becomes 2 into x plus 3 into what is y? 7 by 37 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 sevens are 21 minus 37 divided by 37 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 21 minus 37 is 16. 2 8s are. Therefore, you got x coordinate also now. Coordinate of x also you got now. Therefore, C will be 8 by 37, comma 7 by 37. Now you got the coordinates of C. Since you got the coordinates of C, we can use 2-point form now. Okay. So equation of OC, that is the median. Now O and C. O is 0 comma 0 and C is 8 by 37 comma 7 by 37. I'll use 2-point form over here. What is 2-point form? X minus x1 upon x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2. I'll use this 2-point form. This is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2. So equation of OC will be x minus x1. x1 is 0. x1 minus x2 is 8 by 37. Y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2, that is 7 by 37. So x upon minus 8 by 37 is equal to y upon minus 7 by 37. So when you cross multiply this, you will get this 37, 37 will cancel, minus minus will cancel, you will get 7x is equal to 8y. Therefore, 7x minus 8y is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay. So this is your final answer. 7x minus 8y is equal to 0. This is the equation of the median. So I'll just summarize what we did. We have these two lines whose equation, combined equation, is given to, and we have this line which is over here. So we eliminate this one of the variables and substitute over here so that we get either x or either y, value of either x or either y, and then we turn this into an quadratic equation in one variable. And then when we turn this into a one variable, we get sum of the roots. Also product of roots we can get, but we require only sum of the roots. Since these are roots, I can get y1 plus y2 upon 2. So I divide here by 2. I'll get 7 by 37. And this is the y coordinate I got. Now C lies on this line also, this line. So I'll substitute this value over here and I get the value of x. X is nothing but the x coordinate of C. And then I use equation of OC by 2-point form. This is the 2-point form. Now the question over here is, find the coordinates of point of intersection of line represented by x square minus y square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is already a combined equation. So this is a joint equation and I want separate equations first. Okay. So when we are looking at this equation, this is joint equation. So I'll take x terms together. So x square minus 2x is what I have taken together. And x square minus 2x. And to make it a complete square, if I take this plus 1 also, this actually looks like the expansion of x minus 1 the whole square. Okay. And to support it, definitely the remaining term, that is minus y square, is equal to 0. Now this looks like a square minus b square is equal to 0. Now what is a square minus b square? This is your a and this is your b. So a minus b into a plus b is equal to 0. Then a minus b, a plus b. So I got the separate equations now. X minus 1 minus y is equal to 0 and x minus 1 plus y is equal to 0. So first equation that you get is x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 1. So there are two equations over here. And when you solve these two equations, solving x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 1, we can add them. X minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 1. Then add it. We'll get 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. If I substitute it over here, So I'll get 1 plus y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So this is a coordinate of point of intersection, because whenever you get two separate equations, and these are two separate equations, so you have to solve them simultaneously, that is you add them, no? So when you add these two equations, that is adding these two equations, we get this. Add or subtract, whichever is preferable, you do that and you get the point of intersection as 1 comma 0. So this is your answer.